Fire Brigade Assistant Commissioner pleads guilty and to be sentenced next year. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Assistant Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Floyd McLean, pleaded guilty to the charge of indecent assault in the St. James Parish Court on Thursday. McLean was originally charged with attempted rape and sexual touching of a child, but pleaded guilty to the lesser charge. He is to be sentenced on February 9, 2024. The Assistant Commissioner is accused of molesting a 14-year-old girl who was volunteering at the Montego Bay Fire Department. McLean was arrested in August following a probe by detectives from the Center for Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse into the incident, which reportedly occurred in July. It was reported that after the alleged incident, the child told a family member who got the police involved. McLean first joined the service in 1990 and was a decorated member of the Jamaica Fire Brigade. He was in charge of the Fire Brigade's Region 4 Division. The high-ranking Fire Brigade official found himself in hot water after he was arrested for an offense involving an underage girl. After the incident, well-placed source informed Links 007 TV News that the official was apprehended at his office by the St. James Police. He was later questioned in the presence of his attorney. Additional allegations are that the accused fireman inappropriately touched the young girl on the third day of the voluntary service. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.